Blood Assurance is offering sickle cell trait testing to all donors now through the end of this month. News 12's Jolie Poole shows us why this type of testing is so important.
Sickle cell disease affects hundreds of Americans each year, and with September being Sickle Cell Awareness Month, Blood Assurance felt it was important to join the fight and offer testing to all donors. Sickle cell disease is the most common inherited genetic disorder in the United States. It can cause extreme pain, anemia, and put a patient at an increased risk for infection and stroke.
Certain individuals are born with a type of blood that doesn't bend and reshape the way it should when it passes through circulation. So because of that, the red cells break down a little bit faster and they get sticky. They get stuck in some of the smaller vasculature or smaller vessels in the body.
The devastating disease affects 100,000 Americans, but is more predominant in African Americans.
If you have sickle cell trait, you're actually protected from some blood parasite diseases that are prevalent in the tropic and subtropic areas where African American communities originate. So there's about 1 in 365 in the African American community that's affected by sickle cell disease, and about 1 in 13 in the African American community has sickle cell trait.
Because September is Sickle Cell Awareness Month, Blood Assurance wants to remind residents about the importance of donating blood and also about getting tested for the disease.
Because their red blood cells are abnormal, the only way to make them live a relatively normal life is to convert their red cells into a more normal form or give them somebody else's red cells. We are testing individuals for sickle cell trait. So if you carry the genes that allow your children to possibly develop sickle cell disease, we can tell you whether or not you have that capability.
Because sickle cell red cells only survive 10 to 20 days, patients often need multiple blood transfusions to prevent worsening of their disease. Please remember to donate. It may just help save a life. Reporting in Chattanooga, Jolie Poole, News 12 Now.